Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be exploring the tabular model authoring environment in Visual Studio. Now that we have created a new tabular model project, we can take a moment to explore the tabular model authoring environment in SQL Server Data Tools inside Visual Studio. After creating a new tabular project, this is the view you are presented with. This is the model.bim. So if you look here, it says the name, which is model.bim. On the right side, in the Tabular Model Explorer, you can see a tree view of the objects in your model. Since we have not imported any data, the folders are going to be empty. From the Tabular Model Explorer, you can navigate to different objects in your model project. Click on the Solution Explorer tab here, and then you will see the model.bim file. Let's take a look at the model properties. So click on the file that says model.bim. Click on that. In the properties window, you will see the model properties. And if you scroll down, you will see the different properties available in the properties window. There is an important property here called direct query mode property. This property specifies whether or not the model is deployed in memory mode, which is currently off, or direct query mode, which can be switched on. For this project, I'm going to be authoring and deploying the model in memory mode. So I'm going to leave the direct query mode to off. When you create a new model, certain model properties are automatically set according to the data modeling settings that can be specified in the Tools options. Inside the Solution Explorer, click on the name of the project, right-click on it, and select Properties. A dialog box appears for the project. These are the advanced project properties. You will set some of these properties later when you are ready to deploy your model. You can click on the cancel button or OK to exit this dialog box. Let's take a look at some of the menu items for the model. So here we have the ability to import from a data source. Here we can do new calculation group. We can analyze data in Excel. We can check existing connections. We can add perspective, and this one to select perspective. If you want to add more menu items to the toolbar, just click on the drop down for the analysis services toolbar options, and under the add remove, you can see the list of options here. You can add or remove items from the menu item bar just by checking each of the boxes or removing the check from each of the boxes. In this video, I explored some of the options in the tabular model authoring environment in Visual Studio SSDT. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.